another hike. We are outside of Las Vegas about an hour at Valley of Fire, and we are on the Fire Wave Trail. We've never done it before. I think we've seen it maybe once or twice on YouTube. And yeah, this whole area is just spectacular. It's a state park. Like I said, it's about an hour outside of Vegas, Henderson area. It's in the, I guess, southeast. I guess where you come in. There's also a north entrance. So if you're coming down 15, you can come in from the north as you're coming into Vegas area. But yeah, really cool. We've been told that the hike is arduous, which is not a definition or a word that you hear often. I guess that just means strenuous, hard, difficult. Yeah, we'll see. Temperatures are great. It's only 60 degrees right now. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Time has changed, so the sun's coming up super early. So we got an earlier start today, earlier than usual. Brutus is doing good, or better today. Paws are healing the climate out here, and just the rocks, just vicious on dog paws, and probably feet, people's feet too. Seen a lot of ram today, bighorn sheep. Haven't seen bighorn in a long time. So it's been nice to see actual wildlife. We haven't seen any wildlife in a little bit. It's very nice. Well guys, I'm gonna turn the camera around and get some pictures of this hike for you. This hike's a little over a mile long. It's sandy, at least in this section. Not deep sand. Fairly easy to walk on. Got some rock formations coming up. Got my coffee in hand and water in the backpack. And by the way, the GoPro is working better for some reason. Maybe I complained enough. This ain't Vegas, baby. There's a lot more to Vegas than the Strip, that's for sure. So what's natural, or not natural, to a trail is a Milky Way. We'll take that. And let's see. Somebody ate at Village Street's Eateries, but they decided to leave their trash right here. It's really nice of them. I'm sure they just forgot it. People. Pack in, pack out. Oh, and they let the dog poop up here too. Yeah. Gotta love people.
Just talking about this yesterday. And I hope I never see a tarantula.
I have always wanted to see a tarantula.
I wanted to see one, so I'm like, hurry up, get over here.
It is so cool.
It is cool.
Even his little footprints
Oh, he is
in
leaving
the
little
sand.
Oh, his little peas.
More than one set.
Yeah.
Very cool. A little guy. Yeah, so this is just one of one trail that we've done so far.
Yeah,
Well, I guess technically we did Fire Wave, and now it's turned into what, Seven Wonder Trail?
It turns into something else, and then we finish.
Yeah, it actually hasn't been too strenuous,
No, but it might be up here.
but it might turn arduous up here.
I wonder if that's what makes it strenuous, is the fact that we're hiking in sand.
A little bit, yeah. Sand and rock.
Moving on, Cone. Let's do this.
And then I'll go pick up somebody else's trash. Hey, who are you delivering that meal to?
Huh?
Who are you delivering the meal to?
I just thought I'd bring it in case I got a little snacky.
Yeah.
It is amazing up here. Get your butt up here. Oh, right there.
Well guys, I hope you're really enjoying this footage. The colors and just everything is just amazing. And what's even nicer is the GoPro I put on restriction for a couple of days. Charged the battery, still couldn't get to 100% no matter how long I charged it. But yeah, they finally are behaving better. They're not shutting off every 5 seconds. Gotta watch my foot because there could be tarantulas, which are harmless, scorpions, which are probably harmless too, or snakes. But yeah, this is amazing out here. Got to do it one of our probably top 2 or 3 hikes. Angel's Landing was still the best for me. But yeah, really cool. This little barrel cactus, do you see this? Looks like this side didn't get painted yet. Oh, went into a different state. Alright guys, I hope you liked that last hike. So, before we do anything, hit that like button, subscribe, comment if you like these kind of videos, because we've got another trail coming up called White Domes Trailhead. And part of it, there's an old movie set from the 60s, The Professionals, filmed in 1966. Remnants of the movie set are there, which means there's probably not much there, but we'll see. Haven't been there.
And the slot.
And a slot canyon, so.
We'll do this.
And hopefully the GoPro camera will continue to work awesome like it has. I'm down to probably about 45% left on my battery, so this might be a short remaining part of the video and hike and all that. So hope you enjoy, guys. Almost looks like the trail to the beach, right?
Yeah.
Little sand dunes.
Yeah.
Pacific Ocean's going to be right up here. I don't think so. So we just came down that little valley there. Lots of steps and slippery sand. So guys, I'm going to close this out. We are down to 3%. If you like what we've videoed, give us a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below, but more importantly, get out and hike or get out and enjoy this beautiful country.
Bye.